Black Sheep Hidden Storage. Black Sheep Innovations, a German company, has unveiled a creative solution for those in need of extra storage space in their vehicles. They've designed a secret storage compartment that is cleverly concealed behind the vehicle's tail light. This compartment is highly customizable, accommodating the individual preferences of customers with potential configurations ranging from firearm holders capable of securing even large weapons to a mini-bar setup. Additionally, the compartment features a key lock, ensuring that its contents are protected from unauthorized access. Underseat Pickup Truck Locking Gun Cabinet. The practice of storing firearms in vehicles is looked down upon due to the lack of proper storage space. However, designers have devised a solution by modifying vehicle seats to accommodate gun storage. These enhanced seats can easily be lifted with one hand, revealing a weapon clip underneath that is secured either by an RFID key fob or through a code on an integrated panel. The creators assert that these firearm mounts are versatile, fitting a broad range of weapons, straightforward to install, user-friendly, and efficiently compact, ensuring they don't consume additional space inside the vehicle. Armored Mercedes Police Car Door Mounted Guns. The Mercedes-Benz 4 OSE Guard, a specialized vehicle equipped with B5 level armor and guns on all four doors, has a notable history of being used as a secure transport for bank funds. Remarkably, only 5 of these cars were ever manufactured, and they each served reliably for 20 years. Designed to resist the impact of an M16 rifle from a distance of 33 feet, these cars have been implemented effectively in high-security operations for an extended period. Locking Trunk Rifle Cabinet. Exclusively available to law enforcement and security staff, this compact and easily installed gun cabinet is perfect for secure weapon and ammunition transportation across diverse vehicle types. Priced at around $1,900 for the basic model, which provides a 3.4 x 1.6 foot section, it features durable steel construction, padded cover, Velcro straps, and the convenience of remote control. Crafted in the U.S., the strong demand for these lockers is anticipated, mirroring the significant ratio of 245 police officers per 100,000 citizens in 2015. Truck Vault Seat Vault. Based in the U.S., Truck Vault offers the Seat Vault, a secure storage solution that fits neatly under your vehicle's rear seat to safeguard your valuable items. This discreet modality not only provides enhanced protection, but comes in various configurations, including options for one or to hinge doors and different locking mechanisms. Ideal for safely storing firearms, the Seat Vault features a finish that blends seamlessly with your vehicle's interior, ensuring a cohesive and inconspicuous appearance. Prices for this innovative product start at $1,245. ATC Conversions. ATC, an American company, is dedicated to making car travel accessible for individuals with varied physical abilities. They achieve this by modifying some of today's most recognized and popular car models. Modifications involve comprehensive changes to the vehicle's interior, body, and internal mechanisms. Typically, the conventional driver's seat is substituted with a wheelchair platform equipped with a lift that can lower to the ground for easy access. In an innovative twist, the entire side of the vehicle can be transformed into a gull wing door, although for a more subtle modification, just one door can be redesigned as a gull wing door. Honda Vac. The Honda Vac Invention offers car owners peace of mind regarding the cleanliness of their vehicle's interior. This vacuum cleaner feature, available as an option in the Odyssey model since 2018, is cleverly integrated into a compartment within the vehicle's side panel. It comes equipped with a detachable hose and various nozzles, enabling easy access to all areas of the passenger compartment, including close to the driver and passenger seats. Dirt and debris are whisked away into a dedicated, easy-to-remove container that makes disposal quick and hassle-free. Hitch Safe. Introducing the Hitch Safe. At first glance, it might seem like just a regular tow bar, but it's so much more than that. Today, we're excited to highlight a clever innovation that offers additional functionality beyond its primary purpose. This product appears ordinary but features a discreet, secure compartment protected by a 4-digit code under a protective cover. Ideal for storing small, valuable items, the Hitch Safe combines convenience with security, all for $45. Decked Storage System. The Decked Storage System, a revolutionary innovation by Decked Company, ensures that you can carry your belongings efficiently without losing out on space. Designed uniquely for each type of vehicle, these systems optimize organization and accessibility. With the ability to mount onto the vehicle's floor in roughly 15 to 20 minutes using basic tools, the system is also robust, supporting up to 2,000 pounds of weight evenly distributed. It's perfect for storing a variety of items, from firearms and ammunition to everyday tools. The system features pull-out drawers and multiple compartments to maintain organization. Depending on the model, the price of the system is approximately $1,500. GMC MultiPro. The GMC MultiPro has been meticulously engineered as the market's most innovative tailgate, offering a suite of 7 adaptable features. Its remote-controlled opening, integrated retractable fastener for securing long loads, and easily lowered door for quick access define its convenience. Not just a tailgate, it cleverly converts into a step supporting up to 375 pounds and doubles as a workstation. The MultiPro also simplifies the loading of motorcycles and other vehicles with its special support system, making it a versatile solution for any owner. Minuteman XD. The Minuteman XD enhances the towing capability of virtually any vehicle by safely lifting and towing other vehicles. Its hydraulic frame descends to the ground, slides under the targeted vehicle, and latches onto a pair of wheels, enabling it to effortlessly lift the vehicle for towing. With a substantial lifting capacity of 3,500 pounds, it is compatible with nearly all passenger cars. Additionally, its remote control feature allows for an easier and more convenient operation. Bed Slide. The bed slide platform offers a convenient solution for loading and unloading items from the trunk of large SUVs, which can often be several meters deep. With this tool, there's no need to climb inside. Instead, you can effortlessly pull the entire contents out for easy access and improved visibility. Suitable for a range of SUVs and pickup trucks, the bed slide can handle loads ranging from 1,000 to 2,000 pounds. Starting at just $1,100, this accessory is an investment in efficiency and convenience. Mad Ramps. Mad Ramps offers a quick, safe, and easy solution for loading vehicles onto a truck bed with its innovative system, which features a robust metal frame and multiple loading platforms. This setup, which attaches via a tow bar, not only elevates and loads your vehicle but also ensures it remains secure throughout the journey. Ideal for off-road vehicles, motorcycles, golf carts, and snowmobiles weighing up to 1,400 pounds, Madrance can be swiftly assembled and is proudly made in America. Prices start at $309. Kickass Shower Tent. The Kickass Shower Tent delivers a brilliantly practical solution for access to a shower, toilet, and changing area while traveling. Designed for compactness, this unit effortlessly fits on a roof rack encased in a durable protective cover, making transportation a breeze. Setting it up is a swift process. It's integrated with the roof rack, with the frame sliding out and the protective fabric walls easily unfolding. The final step involves anchoring the unit to the ground using metal pegs, providing a secure, enclosed space. Enhancing its functionality, the interior boasts pockets for storage and a holder for a shower head. Priced at $130, this product offers unparalleled convenience for road adventures. Nissan xtrail for dogs. Nissan revolutionized the pet lover's travel experience a few years back with the introduction of the 4Dogs concept system for its xtrail SUV, designed to make journeys with furry friends as comfortable as possible. The system features a trunk lined with a soft yet durable material to keep dirt and hair at bay. It includes essentials like a travel feeder, a drinking bowl, and a cozy dog bed, alongside a camera that links to the cabin for keeping an eye on your pets. Notably, it boasts a travel shower for pre-trip washes and dries and a sliding ramp, eliminating the need for dogs to jump into the vehicle.